Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make eggless pudding at home. Also as a bonus I will show you how to make jelly and coconut water pudding at home. Before we start our video, if you like my videos and want to watch more videos like this in future, then subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, press the bell button and share my videos with your friends who might be interested. Thank you. This is called agar-agar. At first you have to mix some agar-agar into water and then stir it. You have to make sure that there is no lump. This is a very important ingredient for today's recipe. You have to make sure that the agar-agar mixture is always in room temperature. Then for making the eggless pudding, we first have to boil the milk. Then we have to add cardamom in the milk. We have added 2 cardamoms here. You can add according to the quantity of your milk. Then you have to add some sugar according to your taste. Keep stirring the mixture. You can add the agar-agar mixture along with cardamom and sugar, or you can also add it separately like this. When the milk boils, you can add the agar-agar mixture to the milk. Keep stirring the mixture till it becomes a little dense, and then you have to take the mixture out and put it in a bowl and leave it for it to become cold. Now keep boiling some water and add some food color according to your choice to the water. Keep stirring it. Also add sugar according to your taste. Add some lemon juice to the mixture. Again keep stirring till the water boils. Now add some agar-agar mixture to the water. Add this mixture on top of our pudding and leave it there till it reaches room temperature. Now, as you can see here, our very beautiful eggless pudding is ready. Let's cut the pudding and taste it. Now it's time to make a coconut water pudding. Now let's add some agar again to the water to make our coconut water pudding. Keep stirring it until there is no lump. Now let's add the coconut water to the bowl and add some sugar according to your taste. Keep stirring the mixture. When the coconut water mixture starts boiling, add some agar mixture into it. Keep stirring till it becomes a little dense. Now put the entire mixture into a bowl and leave it until it reaches room temperature. Here it seems like the coconut water pudding is not coming out of the bowl, but let's keep trying. Finally, now we can see how our beautiful coconut water pudding looks like. Now let's cut a piece and enjoy the tasty pudding. Now it's time to make the third dessert of today's video. Let's learn how to make jelly at home. At first, squeeze some lemon and store the lemon juice in a small bowl. Boil some water and add sugar according to your taste. Keep stirring the mixture. Add some food color into the mixture according to your choice. After stirring for a little while, add the lemon juice into the mixture. When the mixture starts boiling, add the agar-agar mixture into it. After stirring for a little while, take the bowl out of the stove and leave the mixture into a bowl until it reaches room temperature. Here we have our very beautiful homemade jelly ready at home. Now let's not wait anymore and let's cut the jelly and enjoy it. I hope you all liked today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and I will meet you all in my next video. Till then, goodbye.